Located within easy reach of most industrial centres, Berendsen's cylinder repair divisions feature heavy overhead cranes and specialised disassembly benches for rapid repair and reconditioning of a wide range of hydraulic cylinders. Large cylinders up to 12 metres in length are swiftly stripped by powerful hydraulic disassembly rigs with up to 90,000 Newton-meters of torque. Sophisticated digital and manual inspection equipment is utilised to immediately assess cylinder condition, including bore, piston, gland and rod wear, crack detection, chrome hardness and thickness, and surface finish. Piston rods are ground and restored to original specifications using advanced surface engineering processes, including industrial hard chrome plating, sulfamate nickel plating, laser cladding and high-velocity oxygen fuel spraying. Welding processes including aluminium bronze overlay and submerged arc welding are employed to reclaim worn clever size, pistons, spigots and other components before machining to original specifications. In-house facilities include on-site turning and boring capabilities as well as large honing stations, reconditioning and restoring barrels to original specified condition with minimum downtime. With high-speed CNC machines, cylinder components can be quickly designed and manufactured in-house. Through sophisticated simulation software, we analyze the performance and reliability of cylinder components. Custom seals can also be rapidly designed and manufactured from a wide range of materials. Customer-specific testing procedures are performed using purpose-built cylinder test frames for immediate verification of cylinder integrity with up to 600 bar static pressure. With on-site sandblasting, reconditioned cylinders are restored to factory freshness in our in-house paint shops to complete the process of restoring cylinders to peak operating effectiveness. Berendsen Cylinder Repairs. High precision, fast turnaround, quality guaranteed.